Yo, Dre.
What you do frequently shall become your frequency. Brilliant quote by 19 keys. I power up for my thoughts every day. So as long as I stay prayed up, I will become a wise man that teach fellow brain rinse human beings how to grow metaphysically. What you do frequently shall become your frequency. Brilliant quote by 19 keys. I power up for my thoughts every day. So as long as I stay prayed up, I will become a wise man that teach fellow brain rinse human beings how to grow metaphysically. Cause when me hungry and have no money nor no food, me mix water with honey and lime juice. But clothing fit me so me utilize my phone booth. But lamb recorder and me studio what the Pro Tools. Croaking lizard, the roaches and the rats now parent. I'm a tired fizzy ras class scorpions. The paint a drop off at the walls in my room, man. Window glasses me some hit the back of Solitex. Me love my family but most of them are malignant. For example, anti-devil love she goes a whiles, and it show up on her face watching her response. In her blood clot, either way it should have live. So every soul love is spread negativity. Come on gonna be on no back fit bad levity. When it arrives them I go feel it a lot a bit. Because they should know, so what you do frequently shall become your frequency. Brilliant quote by 19 keys. I power up with my thoughts every day. So as long as I stay prayed up, I will become a wise man that teach fellow brain rinse human beings how to grow metaphysically. Shadow where I can, a bunch of reading. Let me understand compassion and the kundalini. Energy because me tamp it to me triple helix. DEA through the essence of the source within me.